I've got 2 gigantic chicken breasts in here. On top of that, a jar of pesto, salt, black pepper, lemon pepper, lemon juice, a 1/4 of a cup. I'm gonna pour that all over. I've got one more ingredient. So this is salted butter. That's a whole stick, so it's a 1/2 cup. Make sure that there's little butter everywhere. We're gonna put a lid on this and set it on low for 5 or 6 hours. Look, I'm gonna shred this. It is so juicy because of all that butter. Now that that's all shredded up, pound of rotini. So that's gonna go in a 2-cup bag. This is the mozzarella and provolone. It's a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. This Italian seasoning, and then the parsley is just, more as a garnish, but to add a little bit extra green. I'm going to mix. See the cheese pulling already. Ooh. Oh my gosh.